Darren Andrews is here, Clinic Director for PAI Medical Group. Good to see you, as always. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
So we're familiar with some of the VIPs. We've seen JMV and you hear Gunner before you see him.
You do.
And Don Stuck doesn't hear much of anything unless it's Gunner being around. But we're going to talk about another one.
Yeah. We've got a multi-unit hair grafting procedure this Saturday. Really excited. Paul Poteet. So we're going to meet the man today.
Okay.
Hear a little about him. You probably heard his voice and probably know his face. Yeah.
Know his face. We know. Familiar with both around
Absolutely.
here. So let's take a look.
Today's an exciting day. I'm announcing our latest VIP. Now, I'm holding an umbrella, and the intention is to be a hint of who we're introducing you to today. Now, you'll definitely know his voice. Let's go have a look and see who it is. It's Paul Poteet.
Hey, Mr. Weatherman, what's the weather gonna be?
And how can we help? What's going on?
I have some friends who have said great things about you. Don Stuck, Dave Gunn, and I said maybe you could help me and my son.
March the 17th, guys, we're going to be doing Paul's procedure, multi-unit hair grafting. We're going to lower the hairline, give him an even more youthful look, and that little area in the crown we're going to take care of as well. But
I'm going to lose 10 years.
And joining us now is Paul Poteet and his son Graham. Thanks for being here. Appreciate that. So, were you watching the results from Don and Dave, or just talk to them?
No, I'm not, sucking up to you just because I'm, back here in the building. But I saw a clip on Indy Style online, and I'd known Don Stuck for years and years.
Sure.
We met way back when he was first doing radio on Q95, and so I saw his clip with this, handsome man with great hair and an intriguing accent, and so I sent a Facebook.
He's a triple threat.
I sent a Facebook message to Stuck and said, are these guys for real?
Yeah.
Do they do good work? Because my son, who I love very much, has some concerns with his hair. Yeah. Not grandson. Just
how long have you had concerns with your hair? Is this something that started when you were young? Or?
Yeah, I started balding a little bald spot back when I was about 17. So it's just gone quicker and quicker and quicker as I've gotten older. So
now you have different procedures for different situations. Is that the case here, or is it like father like son?
Yeah, it is the case here. We've got an association with Transitions of Indiana, who do non-surgical grafting. So in Graham's case, because of the extent of the loss, the non-surgical grafting is the way to go. And we're actually using a technology called Cesar Regazzi, which is an Italian company.
Okay.
I thought it was a Caesar salad.
I was going to say,
that they were putting on top
I'll have
of
that with a side of something else.
It's delicious. Yeah, it's very refreshing.
Yeah, but it tells me you guys continue to innovate.
So we innovate. We have the latest technology in the world, and so we can offer both options. And Paul originally, his drive was for Graham when he first came in, and I pointed out to Paul that that hairline's receding a little bit, and he's like,
"Yes,
it is."
What?
So he's going to do great.
I believe when I was in there, the phrase that was used was "ideal candidate."
Yeah, exactly. He did say to me, "You would be an ideal candidate," and I mean, I guess I kind of noticed, and his mom has kind of noticed that my face has somehow gotten longer over the years on TV, and I don't think it's all gravity.
So he's going to go in this Saturday, and so how is that going to differ than what's going to happen with Graham?
So Graham, we do what we call mold and parameters, where we take a shaping or measurement of the top of the scalp, and we match hair samples up to his real hair, and we actually send it off to Italy, where they actually make a prosthesis, which, if you think about a lot of the people in Hollywood, people think a lot of those guys have had hair transplants. They actually have what we call non-surgical grafting, which is the technology we're doing with Graham. So totally natural, undetectable. Graham's hair will be here in May. By which time Paul will have...
it's arriving with a couple of...
I'm wrapping my thinning head around that sentence.
It's arriving with a couple of IndyCar teams.
Yeah,
they're coming in
we
from
have
overseas.
some other instances here.
Yeah,
too.
so here are the non-surgical grafting examples that Graham's going to go through. So this is the prosthesis type approach, similar to the Cesar Regazzi. Very similar hair loss as Graham has in the before picture.
And we've seen people at PAI who are actually in the system, and it's amazing.
It's incredible. Amazing technology.
So your dad seems excited, but your dad gets excited about snow flurries. So how fired up are you about that?
I'm very excited. It's as I said, it's been something I've been dealing with for almost 10 years. So. It'll be kind of weird to see myself with hair. So.
Usually we're excited about the month of May. You more for your very own reason. But again, people can't sit there and sort of diagnose themselves. They need to come in for the free consultation.
Yeah, the free private consultation's the key. We can analyze, and these two guys are great examples, different results or different solutions for different hair loss patterns. I've got a hairline here that needs changing and a face that needs framing, and we've got a larger area of loss here. So not that the face is bad, but different examples.
I'm just trying real hard, Tracy. Tracy not to go like this today on the air.
I just feel like the day that Wish lets me go, they're just going to have him come in and say it, because he's the only guy that can tell you that you need something done there, and you're not even mad. You're glad for the honesty. So, free consultation, all the information. We have the links on INDYStyle.tv. Looking forward to May. Well, you're looking forward to Saturday. Looking forward to seeing you in May, Graham.
Yeah.
Anybody want to say hi to?
No. Hi.
Your wife and your kids.
They're watching, yeah. Hi, Hunter.
Megan?
Hunter.
Dad's going to look
I bet.
different.
It's funny, the first time that I had him on TV with me was when he was about the age that his son is now, and no wonder I need a hair transplant.
That's right.